Did your application crash because of the Msvcr70.dll issue? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to help you re-establish those broken links. This DLL file is a Legacy C Runtime Library from the Visual C++.NET 2002 era. Many older professional tools and business applications still require this file to execute standard C code instructions and manage system-level resources. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. To ensure the file is correctly registered, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. You'll need both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from Microsoft's website to complete this repair properly. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Msvcr70 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Keep in mind that the Msvcr70.dll must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to the Msvcr70 management. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Microsoft Visual C++. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.